Hi, multi-passionate and freedom-seeker individuals. In today's video, I will share about Master Yoda's 6 wisdom about money and power. Watch the video till the end to know how you can manage your money, grow your money, improve your money relationship, and develop an abundance mindset. Master Yoda's 6 wisdom about money and power. Number 1. Control. Control, you must learn to control. Are you torn between saving money by paying yourself first and the YOLO mentality? You only live once. Control is the key to having both, which means you can start to save and at the same time, you are not depriving yourself to spend the money that will make you happy. Why you must learn to control? You need to learn to control how you spend your money so that you will not live paycheck to paycheck or worse, get buried in debt. Number 2, about Master Yoda's wisdom about money and power. Train yourself to let go of everything you fear losing. Like what happened to Anakin, the fear of losing his loved ones make him choose the path of the dark side. Be very specific with what you fear losing. Is it your job title? Is it your money? Is it the affection of others or validation from others? If you are very specific with what you fear losing and you know how it affects you internally, you can easily let go of that fear and have the joy of missing out. Master Yoda's third wisdom about money and power. Learn to unlearn what you have learned.
Alright,
Ask yourself this. To whom and where you learn about money? Is what you learned about money help you to achieve your financial goals, improve your quality of life, and make your life happier? If not, learn to let it go and learn a new ways of managing, growing your money to improve the quality of your life, achieve your financial goals, and make your life happier. To learn new ways of doing things that resonates with who you are and what you value in order to achieve your financial goals, improve the quality of your life, and make your life happier. Yoda's fourth wisdom about money and power.
Do or do not. There is no try.
Do or do not. There's no try. When it comes to commitment like paying debts, do not make any excuses. Pay it on time. In Star Wars, Han Solo's unpaid debt resulted to numerous bounty hunters and him being frozen in carbonite. Master Yoda's fifth wisdom about money and power. You fail because you do not believe.
I don't believe it.
That is why you fail.
The central theme of Star Wars is the impossible. Saving the planet, turning the dark side into good side, and training the hard-headed Padawans. As Master Yoda says, you must start with belief. When it comes to achieving your goals, you need to believe in yourself that you have the power to transform your life. You can control your money and not be controlled by your money. Having a harmonious relationship with your money will help you to become more happier and contented in life. You will learn to say no to everything that do not resonate with who you are and do not resonate with your values. You know your maximum limit when it comes to money. Master Yoda's 6 wisdom about money and power. Difficulty to see, always in motion is the
Difficult to see. Always emotion is the future.
future. Even if you cannot predict what will happen in your future, you have the power to prepare for it. Also, for any life uncertainties like accident, critical illness, terminal illness, and even untimely death. Starting to save for life uncertainties will help you future-proof your income. As Master Yoda says, size matter not.
Look at me.
Judge me by my
Judge me by
size.
size, do you?
Should you? Should you not?
Where you
Otherwise, you'll be
For
needing
my
the
ally
force on
is
your
the
side.
force.
May the force be with you always. Share with me your one key takeaway in this video that you will start to apply in your daily life. I would love to hear from you. If you find this video helpful, you will find the other videos also helpful. And to get the most out of my free content, attend my Freedom Masterclass. In the said Masterclass, you will have your own self-discovery and you will learn to create the money freedom that is applicable to who you are, what you value, and your own lifestyle. In the Freedom Masterclass, I will share with you my 5 steps to money freedom framework where I used to help my coaches to start up their journey, to become debt-free, and create the wealth they deserve. You will learn about the wins that will help them on their journey to money freedom. And I will also share with you my own journey to money freedom, where at the age of 25, I already had my own house and lot, even if I'm not a millionaire. And at the time that I acquired a house and lot, I did just resign in my first permanent board. So it doesn't need for you to have a high-paying job na millions of savings to acquire the material things you wanted and needed for yourself and your family. It only takes some commitment, discipline, and a belief that you can do it. You have the power to control your life, your money, and be the author of your own life. Check the comment for link where you can attend the Freedom Masterclass. And there's more, you can also check the comment to download your Freedom Roadmap